Grace.
Bibigyan ko ka na. Hello? All, Ate Lenny, lahat nasabi na nila. Tawa dyan! Palitan niyo ako. Pagbibigyan. I-copy-paste ko na lang lahat ko ng wishes nila. So, thank you very much for being part of this 60th birthday celebration. Thank you.
Pag ikaw, andyan kami na lahat. Dali. Picture. After this, get ready for Del. Wait lang ka kung meron pa! Wait! Andito pa, meron pa tayo. Cheer! Cheer, Del!
Our sexy girl! The sexy girl! The sexy girl!
Saan yayamanin?
Sexy girl!
Ako.
Meron siya! Okay, then, dito ka, Del. Dito ka. Okay, dyan ka. Okay. Now, my love, the celebrant, you have to blow each one of the candles. Yan, from the start, we have here, start ka kay ano, kay Mel. Yan. Ito po, binublow ng ating celebrant ang liwanag ng kanyang buhay. Go! Happy birthday, Lenny! Happy birthday, Lenny! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lenny! Tururong! Tururong! Okay, asan ang cake niya? Where is the cake of Lenny? May I have it?
Like sounds?
Kapag may blow, my dear, you have to make a wish. Okay, na? Ay, ayasin dyan. Para may liwanag. Lighter, kasapuego. Lighter, kalaguna pong lene.
Baka malagyan yung damit mo.
Pero siya magdadaya. Okay, my love, make a wish for your lower candle. Make a wish. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Yes, thank you. You may now sit. Okay. Ay, di po. Gaya niya po naman. No, from here, and then picture, and then kung anong pagkain para kung ano organize sa group 1.